So in this video we're gonna achieve this simple navigation system in Godot engine. We'll have our agent following a random path in the navigation region. So let's begin. We start by creating a scene. Set the root node to navigation region 3D. Add some geometry for visualization, such as this one, and set it to box mesh. Change its dimensions to some different values so you can have a good base to work on. Add a collision shape, static body child. Now go to the navigation region 3D, add a navigation mesh resource and bake the navigation mesh. You'll get this blue surface representing your navigation mesh, and it is a place where your agents will be moving. Now add a quick agent which will be a character body 3D. Add a collision shape to your character body 3D. Set it to box shape, and for visualization add a mesh instance 3D and set it to box mesh to make it synchronized with the shape. Now we can color our platform a little bit differently. So for this, create a material and change the color to something like this. Under the character body node, we can add a navigation agent because navigation agent is the node responsible for calculating the path in the navigation region. Now that we have all the nodes set up, let's create a script on the character body 3D. Since I already pre-written the code, I'm just gonna explain the whole code here. We just get our navigation agent, and in each frame, if the user has pressed this key, we set the target position to some random target position. So the agent has to calculate path to this randomly selected position, and then we just calculate the direction to the next waypoint. Waypoint is just a point along the path that the agent should follow, and towards that direction we move the agent. So if we quickly visualize this whole scene after saving it, we can just go here, click here, and you can see that our agent should move. Oops, but since we don't see anything, it means that we have no camera in our scene. So let's just quickly add a camera, move it a little bit up, rotate it a little bit so we can view the platform here. Change its type to orthogonal and set the size to something large like this. After that, you can add a world environment node as well for some skies and lightning. So we can also add a directional light for some good lightning and shadows, like this. Now just press this button to test our system. Whenever I press UI home, our agent follows a path. You can use the same basic principle and basic logic to build pathfinding in your own video games. This is just a really basic start for someone new to navigation system to get their hands on and start working in navigation systems in Godot. Thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe my channel for more content.